विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कोरोना लॉकडाऊनमध्ये आपल्याला प्रत्यक्ष तुम्हाला क्लासमध्ये येणं शक्य नाही, मला क्लासमध्ये जाणं शक्य नाही. अभ्यासिका पूर्ण बंद आहे 3 मे पर्यंत आणि आणखी पुढे त्याच्या पुढे काय होतं हे मला माहिती नाही, तुम्हाला माहिती नाही. तर इतके दिवस अभ्यास बंद ठेवून आपल्याला तर चालणार नाही, म्हणून ऑनलाईन अभ्यासक्रम आपण सुरू केलेला आहे तेजल बायोलॉजी क्लासने. तर माझा हा प्रयत्न आहे, या प्रयत्नाला रिस्पॉन्स जर तुम्ही दिला तर आपण असं कंटिन्यू चालू ठेवू. आता आपलं चालू होतं मोड ऑफ असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. मोड ऑफ असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन आर मेनली 2 टाइप. that is the mode of asexual reproduction through natural method and the mode of asexual reproduction through artificial method. Now let us we study the mode of asexual reproduction through natural method. There are different type of natural methods of asexual reproduction. The first one is the fragmentation method. In the fragmentation method, there is breaking is necessary. Here, the multicellular organism, for example, Spirogyra, this Spirogyra is break into many pieces, and these pieces are further grow into new organism. That is the type of natural asexual reproduction in the Spirogyra through the fragmentation method. Second type is the budding method. In the budding method, here the, for example, yeast, here the buds are formed. In the budding method, the buds are formed. The buds are formed, and these buds are grow. These are the mother cell of the yeast. These are the mother cell of the yeast. These buds are chained in the form in the chain, and these buds are separated. These buds are separated and further grow into new yeast organism. Therefore, budding method. Third type is the spore formation. In some organism, zoospore are formed. For example, Chlamydomonas. Example, Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. In the Chlamydomonas, this is the type of algae, but it is unicellular as it contains the chloroplast. In the Chlamydomonas, the zoosporangium, when the cell, unicellular cell grows, it is called as zoosporangium. This zoosporangium contains many spore, and these spore, these haploid spores are further released from this and these spore, these haploid motile zoospore these are motile haploid and having a flagella, that is flagellated, and it further grow into the new Chlamydomonas. And further binary fission. In the binary fission, for example, amoeba. Amoeba is the best example of the binary fusion. In the amoeba, what happened? In the amoeba, the cell grow, amoeboid cell grow, and the nucleus is divided. The nucleus is divided, and cytoplasm is also divided. There is the breaking, there is break and forming a new amoeboid. This is the young one of this. This is the offspring of the amoeba, and from single amoeba, 2 amoeba is formed. That is, cell is divided into 2, but it is mitotically, and it is the type of asexual reproduction. In the Conidia, Penicillium, Penicillium is the example of the Conidia. Here this is the hyphae, it is a single erect hypha, and this hypha forming a Conidia. Conidia is nothing but it is the type of budding. Here is here spore like, and these are separated, and further conidia are separated and further grow into new penicillium organism. And in the sponges, for example of the sponges, here internal buds are formed. These are the internal budding. This is the external budding, and this is the internal budding. In the sponges, there is the internal budding is formed, and these buds are separate from and release and separate and form a new sponges organism. This is the type of asexual mode of reproduction naturally through natural